Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I'm going to show super tasty mint chutney. It goes well with idli, dosa, bread, avocado and rice, etc. It stays fresh in fridge over a week. This is another great option when you want to reduce or replace peanut chutney for common Indian breakfast. As peanuts have little saturated fat and are high in phosphorus, excess intake is not so good. Mint chutney with rice bread is the best way to include in kids' diet. Mint leaves are so nutritious, helps to release extra bile from the gallbladder, which in turn boosts body to digest fat. You can either air fry or pan fry the leaves, peanuts, and sesame seeds separately. Let's get started. Wash 1 cup mint leaves, half a cup coriander leaves. In air fryer basket, place air fryer safe ball or Pyrex ball. Add mint and coriander leaves and place the mesh on top. Air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 9 to 10 minutes and toss halfway. You can see the green leaves are roasted well. Let's see the sorting. Heat the pan. Dry roast peanuts for 2 to 3 minutes. Or you can air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes. In the same pan, dry roast sesame seeds or air fry with roast option until brown color. I usually dry roast peanuts and sesame seeds in bulk ahead of time. It's very handy and ready to use. Wash little tamarind and soak in water for few minutes. Or you can use hot water for quick soaking. Or you can also use 1 teaspoon tamarind concentrate. Now add 1 teaspoon oil in a hot pan. Add cumin seeds, split chickpeas, urad dal, little turmeric, and green chilies. Mix well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add onion pieces, coriander seeds, add mint and coriander leaves. Saute for few minutes. Skip this step if you have already air fried. Add garlic. You can add any time, just needs to be a little sauteed. You can see I used only 1 teaspoon oil for sauteing all these ingredients. You'll be amazed with its taste at the end. Add 1 tomato. Half a teaspoon salt. You can add more if needed later. Saute everything for few minutes. You can add air fried green leaves at the end in last 2 minutes. Let it cool down a bit. In a grinder jar, grind peanuts and sesame seeds first. Add 1 teaspoon coconut powder and the sauteed mix. Add tamarind along with water. You can add water if needed and blend all together to fine paste. After tasting, you can add chilli and salt if needed. Super tasty mint chutney is ready to serve. You can do additional tempering at the end if needed. Hope you enjoy mint chutney with idli, dosa, bread and rice. Stay tuned for more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.